Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the very interesting Einova charging stone. They have multiple different charging stones, but I like this one the most because it's lava stone. So they cored out the inside of this lava stone. They put a wireless charging puck underneath. They give you the wireless charging adapter and the integrated tough braided nylon cable right there. And it can charge phones like this up to 10 watts wireless. So since this is an iPhone 10, it will charge at 7.5 watts. But if you have an Android phone, it can charge up to 10 watts. So that's cool. That will charge iPhones and Androids. And you can even put your wireless headphones on there like your AirPods Pro, or like I have the Raycon, the gaming earbuds. You can get this now from Einova. They have different stones, but I like it's like a discussion piece. It's lava. Whenever do you see that in the house doing anything, and it's actually charging a phone. So that's pretty cool. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.